Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys are doing really good. So I'm back with another recipe and yes, it is a bread recipe. So this recipe is made with Bajra millets. A lot of you had requested me that you wanted another recipe with Bajra millets. It has no husk and no yeast. So it has a special ingredient that I have used instead of baking soda. So hope you like this recipe. It is healthy and it is gluten free. But before that, if you have any recipe suggestions, please mention it into my comment section, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's go make this healthy bread. So we're going to take a bowl and then we're going to add bajra millets into it. Once that is done, we're going to add a little bit of oats flour and jowar flour. But you can substitute these with any other millets of your choice. But I really like the taste of bajra millets into it. Then we're going to add a little bit of baking powder and we're going to add salt. So once that is done, we are going to add oil and then we'll add vinegar into it. So if you don't want to use jowar and oats also, you can use any other millet, but I just felt these three combination worked really well for this bread. So we are going to add is, instead of baking soda, we are going to add soda water into it. And actually the bread texture turned out really good with this soda water. If you don't want to use soda water, you can just use baking soda and substitute the soda water with your regular water. But I would recommend to try the soda water for this recipe because it actually made the bread really soft and taste really good. So keep mixing everything together and then after that till you get a smooth batter. After that is done, I have preheated my oven for 180 degrees for 10 minutes. So you can see I'm mixing the batter. It has become thick. Then you can add some herbs also of your choice. I've added some seeds into it. You can even add nuts if you feel like, and keep mixing it. So I'm using a tea cake mold, but you can use a bread tin also for this recipe. And always make sure you add a parchment paper so that the bread doesn't stick on the side. So we're going to pour the batter and then put it for baking. So once the bread is baked, make sure that you demold it immediately. And now you can see I'm adding the batter into it. We're going to bake it at 180 degrees for around 20 to 25 minutes, and then you put a toothpick. If a toothpick comes out clean, that means your bread is ready. I've topped it up with more seeds. You can use any other herbs of your choice, and now it's going for baking. So now you can see the bread, it's turned out to be super soft and it looks also so good. There are going to be some cracks on top, but don't worry, that is fine. Make sure it's cooled really well before you slice it. So you can follow me on Instagram if you want more healthy recipes. The link is in the description. I even conduct workshops, and if you want to join them, that link is also in the description. So hope you like this bread recipe and do let me know the feedback.